Sorry about that. Ran out. The Talking about the mole, very very large number. You might be saying, how is this useful for anything? It takes that long to count that. The reason it's so useful is if we look at a periodic table here. My second favorite, oh no, it's my third favorite chart. Oftentimes periodic tables have um, atomic weight. Hydrogen has an atomic weight of 1.01, beryllium of 9.01. Well, the unit that we use for atomic weight is sometimes atomic mass unit, which is just generic for like comparing atoms. Um, Another unit that we often use is what's called the molar mass, the grams per mole. Okay, and so if you have a mole of hydrogen atoms, it weighs 1.0 grams. If you have a mole of water molecules, H2O, right? You have two hydrogens, 1.01 times 2. There's two of them. And then one oxygen, you have 16.0 times 1. Okay, so that's 2.02 plus 16 gives you 18.02, right? Grams per mole. So if I wanted to drink 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd water molecules, that'd be the same as drinking 18 grams. It's really not that big. Make sure you try to get it down the right pipe when you do that, though. And so what this shows is this demonstrates how small atoms and molecules are. So it's a very useful number, very important in chemistry. Hopefully we'll learn a little bit more about that. But my favorite number, third favorite chart. Hope that helps. And hopefully see you soon. Be safe. Go outside and look at the stars.